Let's try to get some candies here. Knock, knock.
Oh, hi, my young and beautiful.
Trick or treat.
Oh my gosh, zombie apocalypse is real.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Hi there. Trick or treat. Hey, who are you?
That was too much for one head. Wow, hello there. Ew, could you please? Treat? Sure, all the candy's just for you.
Oh, so many. Thank you so much. Huh? And nothing for me? Not a mere candy? That's not fair. So unfair. Mmm, yummy. So juicy and delicious. My favorite dish in the world.
Huh? What?
Oh, fresh meat. Come to mommy.
No, please help!
Not so fast, my dear human.
What do you want from me?
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Oh, sure.
Please.
Okay, this one is for you. And you have all the rest.
So sweet of you. Thank you. And just one for me. Oh no, what am I doing wrong? Nobody likes me even on Halloween. No candies for me out there. Why? Oh, what is that? Lala magazine? Curious, let's take a look. How to become a Barbie. Be so cool and have such a smooth skin. Wow, smooth skin, like really, is it possible? Let's find out what could be done. Huh, here we are. So the skin, if I rub it quite enough, I think I will manage to make it smooth enough. Oh, the first layer starts to come off. Well done, zombie. Now pull it off. The more the better. Pull off everything. Let's get rid of all the old skin. There, and there too. Get done with all of it. Perfect. Now let's take a look. No, what have I done? That was really too much. Now I need a new skin. This looks nice. Yeah, let's try it on. Stick it tightly to the skull. Very, very tightly. Oh, I think it's finally there. Well, is it? Oh dear, now I look so shiny. I shine like glass, really. Fantastic. Oh no, all the shine is gone. And my makeup. It's all there. No, Barbie isn't a Barbie without her makeup. Come back to me. Here you are. Finally, everything on its own place. Now let's check what else is there for me to do. Next page. Blonde hair, silky smooth golden hair. Looks awesome. But how can I make it, let's think a bit. Just a bit, Beatles?
Hi there. Hi, beautiful.
Ew, Barbie doesn't need you. Go away, all of you. Out of my head. Now. Huh, so many. Oh no, get out. What, my brain? But how did it fall out? Oh no. I think I'll need this one. Let's put it back. Nice, so much better. So the hair, let's comb it at least. I think it won't be that easy. Stupid comb. Let's better do it the old way. With this! This will do better. Here you go, nice and slow.
You will pay for this.
One side and the other. Thank you, little fellow. You've helped a lot. Thank you and goodbye. Yummy. Fresh breath gummy. So where was I? Golden hair, right! But how to make his hair blonde? Oh, I guess I have an idea. But first I need to use the bathroom. Finally. And I'll need this one too! With the bleach? Yes, this is exactly what I need. Quick, I need the blonde hair to become a Barbie. Oh, right. I forgot to flush the toilet. So here we are. Let's open it up and fill some right on the top of it. The more the better. Just enough to make all my hair as blonde as possible. Aha, let's try it. Layer by layer, lock by lock. With slow, smooth motions. And the final ones. Half the job is done already. And now the foil. Just tear off a bit and stick it to the hair. I will need many sheets here, so let's prepare them all. Perfect. I can even have a nap meanwhile. Sweet dreams. Wow, hello my beauties. Time to free you from this nasty foil. Let's check the result. Looks nice. Yet the smell? Ew, it smells horrible. Even for a zombie's nose. This looks nice and smells divine. Let's use it. The more the better. Smell check? Nice. What else is there on the list? Fabulous outfit. And it's pink. Pink is trendy, it says. Right, so I need some pink clothes. I think I know where to find some. Here we go. Now let's check. What have we got here? Not pink. Not pink. And what do we have here? Interesting. Open up! Shoes? Oh no. And they are not pink either. I can paint them up. Just put it here and add the clothes I need. Like all of them. Great. And now I need some paint. A pink one! Now fill it in the box with shoes and clothes. So it covers all of it. Well done, Zombie. Thank you so much. And now it's time for a dynamite. Just light the fuse very carefully. Done! Now put it in the box very gently. Sit right on top of it and wait. 3, 2, 1. Wow, sounds great. Can't wait to see the results. Let's see how it all looks like now. Open it up. Wow, it looks amazing. All is bright pink and so fancy. Now put it on. Oh wow, so nice and cozy. Now I really look like Barbie. And the shoes. Oh, look at these beauties. Just ready to go and marvel all around. Now they look perfect. All eyes will be on me. It's gonna be awesome. And what about these? Now I can finally get rid of them and forget once and for all. Huh? What? Where is it? Oh, my hand! My poor hand! I'm so sorry! Hope you're okay. But wait! There's something else? Cute nails. And pink is also the best choice here. Looks easy. Let's think how to do it. Aha! Let's color the nails with this! It's just what I need right now! Please don't move, my darling. And it will be done in no time. It won't hurt. Let's start with one. The second, just like that. Nice and slow. Whew! Finally, done! But what? How so? It doesn't look like on the picture! It's not that pink and looks so messy. I don't want this mess! Let's fix it up! Oh, come on. Why is still there? I will rub you out this way or another. Ooh, finally. Oh my gosh. What have I done? It's all the bones now. What should I do with it? Barbies don't have such horrible hands. I guess I need a spare one. Well, there is no other way. Here it is. And I'll be just as new. Just take it. Put it on. Got it. And let's do it again. But this time I will be more careful. And just in no time all the nails will look perfect. See, it wasn't that difficult after all. Now I have fancy nails too. They look fabulous. Final check. Now I look beautiful like real Barbie. Huh? My stomach. Oh dear, I'm hungry again. Yet I think I still have something out there. Just some fresh stuff. Here it is. Looks really yummy. Bon appetit. So delicious. But my lipstick. Rub it off, quickly. Now it's nice. What else do I need? Earrings. I guess so. And I have an idea. Let's use the eyes. Awesome! But they're not pink. Yet I have a solution! Just for cases like that, there is a kettle out there. Just take an eye. Put it right here. Wait for a sec. And it will do its own magic. Now let's take it out and check. Right the color I needed. So nice and Barbie-less. Now put it here. 1. And the second. Now I'm finally ready. This time all the candies will be mine. Ready and confident? It's now or never. 1, 2, go! Knock, knock.
Oh, hi.
Trick or treat.
Wow, like a real nanny.
Huh? What? Wait! Vampire party. Wow.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Hey, where do you think you're going? It's only for vampires.
Oh no.
What? Fine. Could you help, please?
Well, if you wish so.
Ouch.
Wow, look at you.
Thanks, man.
Could you please?
Oh, all right.
Ouch! Oh, wow.
Haha, you're the one with the curse.
Oh, my face. What happened to my face?
Haha.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi, Ken.
Hey, tasty one?
Wait, what? Ouch!
Yummy.
Wait, I'm a vampire now?
Get in.
Thanks.
No, vampires only.
Oh, no, what should I do? Oh, here she is. Excuse me. What? Could you please? Sure. Sweet! That's all? What? What's going on? My skin! Oh no! Why is it happening to me? But there's always a way. And I'm sure I can fix anything. Like anything! The things I need: pale face, fangs, and fancy dark dress. So the first one? All right! This little one will help. I just need to crush it into pieces. All right then. This one is a tough nut to crack. Though is it? Let's see. Wait till my shoe will walk all over you. Well done. Now I can finally try it out. Glasses off and roll it up. Perfect. Wait, what? No, this is too much. Now it's perfect. So nice and smooth. Oh, it's time to have a snack. Just a very light one. Yummy. Wait, there was something about my teeth. Right, fangs. I need some fangs. Where can I get them? Huh? These look quite nice. And they fit well. Let's check. Nice and sharp, just like real ones. And my snack. Oomph. Oh no, my fangs! They're gone! Give it back. First. And second. I think I will eat it a bit later. I'd better get back to my list. Fangs, done. Now I need a dress. But where to get a dark one? Let's check it up in my wardrobe. Let's see. This one? Nope. No. No way. Oh no, I haven't got a thing to wear. Oh gosh. Ow, this one looks perfect. Nice color. Though it smells awful. But I have no choice, so cut, Barbie, cut it up. And just in a split of a second, you will have a nice facey vampire dress. What is that? Ew! Away with that! Checking up. One dark dress, done. Now I'm ready. Hey there, how do I look now?
Let's check. Supervision activated. Pale skin, check. Vampire dress, got it. Fangs, but the hair and makeup. That won't go, babe. You still look silly.
Not again. I need a new list. So it's red hair, hairstyle, and makeup. But how to make my hair red? Oh, right. Just use this one to get a few drops of paint. So we will get a color of a real blood. Oomph, just enough. Now mix it. Nice and slow. Great. And now the hair. Put it here for a while. And voila. Nice color. Huh?
A package for a young lady. Not so fast, I need your signature here.
No prob. Wait, why isn't it? Come on.
Oh boy, get on with it.
Wait, it's all in my hair now. Right, let's use it then. Here you are.
Thank you, your package.
Thank you. Let's take a look what we've got here. Right, now we can make a bat accessory. First, we need a form. Yes! Then we cut it out. Now stick these little beauties together. And add a bit of magic. Done! Wow! One more vampy detail to my vampy look. Looks awesome. And now, makeup time.
I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today.
looks so perfect. Now I'm finally ready. Hey, Vampies, here I go. Hear me roar.
Stop! Wait, skin, pale, fangs, sharp, dark outfit, vampire hair, and the makeup. Looks like now it's all there. Wow, sure, come in. And one more thing.
No, thank you. Please leave it.
Not again, come on.
Hi, World. Oh, hi there.
Oh, Barbie, you're saying hi to me.
Wow, Barbie, you're here?
She's saying hi to me?
She's saying it to me. Hi, beautiful. I like your dress.
I found it in my trash bin.
Oh, really? Whatever, let's kiss.
What? Oh no, it's time for school. Sorry, I need to go.
Ouch! Wait, where is she?